Hi everyone, Sandy here with my newest project that I designed for Country Craft Creations using Authentique's Companions paper collection. I created this little doghouse mini album that has a ring binding, and it is perfect for holding photos of your newest puppy or sharing photos of your favorite four-legged babies. I will have a tutorial to show you how to create the doghouse shape for the cover and how to create the pages. I collect lots of charms and different little brads and buttons and stickers for different projects. I was excited to get to use some of the dog ones on this little album. I have the one ring binding here on the side with ribbons and strings that I attached, and on the front I added Scrabble letters to spell out my dog. And you open up the cover, which is the doghouse part, and then your first page I created this little heart pocket with a freehand cut dog bone that goes inside of it, and then I added places for photos and little half pages. I used little wood animals or dogs that I found in different places. So I like to look for different elements that I can add in with the collection. If you don't have a lot of the chipboard pieces that you can purchase for some collections, you can use other elements that go along with what you see here. So this is a little flip out with a tie closure for a photo in there, and then a photo here and on the other side. And for this page I created out of ribbon with that came with these sparkles on it. I created a little collar with a paw print charm. Here I freehand cut some hearts like you do making Valentines, and made a little flap here with one heart, and then I used the frame that was left over to create a frame on this page where you can slip a photo in, another photo mat place, a paw print where you could write the name or birth date of your pup, and some of the cut apart cards. I fussy cut out the shapes, and then I made this pocket here and added some tags. So it's a real fun little album to create. This side has another flip out, and I had some dog shaped paper clips which are fun to add in. So you can put a photo here, and then on the final inside cover, which is the chipboard for the back, I have another photo, and then I used a sticker from the collection. So as I said, it's a real fun little project to put together. If you open up the pages just right, it will stand up on a shelf, and it's a fun little thing to make. It makes a great little gift for someone who has a new puppy. So check back for my tutorial, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.